What's up, CORCOR fans? It's your fan CORCOR, and today I'm finna show you how to make your playlist as album on Soundcloud. It's very easy on your iPhone. You don't need to use your computer or none of that. So all you had to do is create a playlist, just like that. You see my ugly ass. Sometimes you have to make your playlist as public or private, either other way. That's something good for you. But you know what I choose is easy is private, cause you don't want nobody to see what you up to and shit. Then you had to open Chrome, and then you had to hook up SoundCloud desktop, whatever you call it. I don't know, this desktop. Yeah, SoundCloud desktop. Then you press it right there. Then you press the top one. It takes time. What's about to finna say is like you had to sign in like your main SoundCloud and stuff. So I'm finna sign mine. Then as soon as it's done, you get off of it, refresh it, get off of it, and then you come right back to it, press it again, press the same stuff. After you press that, press library. You got to move very slowly and press the playlist button and go to the playlist that you just create. Just press it, and what you finna do is press that pencil button by your left right there. You see that thing say playlist? You could change that. Just press that. You want to make it as album, single, EP, whatever you want it, but I'll choose EP. After you did that, you gotta change your date. That way it could be much easier, so you cannot just press save and then not working. And then you can change like genre wherever you want it, hip hop or some stuff like that. And then you press save. When you press save, you get off the set. Open your SoundCloud and then press your count, and then go in the bottom, and voila, here's your own album. Fresh like a mug, you know, good and detailed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.